kind of running from the streets. And I would think, well, at that time I was thinking the last place the guys would find me, somebody like me. I mean, it's a big story behind me in the streets, but the last place the guys would find me is actually in the kitchen. And I started as a pot washer. And what really inspired me, or what really kind of triggered me into becoming a chef, is one day I was washing pots, and I was really inspired with all the guys on the line cooking and how fast they can cook and put food out. I never saw nothing like that before. So I asked one of the guys, he was a brother, I asked him, I said, hey man, you know, show me how to cook, teach me how to cook. I want to show the chef that I'm tired of washing dishes, for one, and for two, I want to learn how to cook. So the line cook guy, he actually took a little time out and taught me how to make cheese garlic bread. And I said, you know what, I'm going to show the chef that I can make cheese garlic bread, so that maybe he'll think about giving me a position on the line. And that was really big, you know, back in those days, to be on the line and to be a line cook. So Friday night came, and the guy had already polished me, gave me a couple of days of making cheese garlic bread without the chef knowing. Finally, Friday night came, and it was my time to shine. I mean, here it is, Friday night, 7 o'clock, dinner hour, the restaurant is off the chain. I come down the line with this cheese garlic bread, walking slow. All the rest of the guys are going 100 miles an hour. I'm walking slow down the line with this cheese garlic bread, and I'm walking slow so the chef can actually see me. And I put the cheese garlic bread up in a salamander, and I remember him yelling and screaming at me, "You're not a chef. What are you doing on my line? You would never be a chef. Get off my line. You're a pot washer." And man, I tell you, that gave me the gas to say, hey, you know what? One day I'm going to be the best chef he ever had. And that's kind of how it all started for me.